So the lab is called Fish Conservation Culture Lab. Where the lab is the Davis, UC Davis is here, right next to Sacramento, about 20 minutes away. However, our lab is not on campus. It's about an hour and a half drive from Davis, which is around Livermore area. So our lab is here. The reason over here, our lab in there is, our lab is right next to the Cleveland Coal 4 Bay. The Cleveland Coal 4 Bay is actually the water intake for the State Water Project. Has anyone heard about State Water Project? Nice. Okay, so if you know how the California works, actually there's no water source in South California, in Southern California. All the water south is actually pumped from Northern California. So a lot of agriculture happens in Southern California, but they don't have water. So what can you do? So there is a state water project starting from about 30 or more years ago. What they do is they pump water from Northern California, which is this Bay Area, using a very big canal and big pumps, pumping water south for all the farmers in the south. So this, you can imagine there is some very big pumps. So the big pumps are actually sitting here. So what they're doing is they're pumping the water south. So if you are driving on Highway 5, you can see a very big canal on the side of the highway. So that's the canal. So, but the problem started to happen. The reason is, since we are using that big pumps to pump in water, people start to find this pump actually sucking too much water, killing the fish in the water. And not just fish, other local species are actually killed by those pumps. And not just pump, because you remove so much water from this Northern California, so there should be a good water flow going to the ocean. However, right now you pump so much water south, there's not enough water going out. The seawater level actually goes back. So which means the seawater start to destroy the ecosystem in the Bay Delta area. So right now there are many local species are dying. They are just disappearing because they are losing their habitat. So our lab is right sitting here. We are trying to understand what's going on in the Delta area, and we are trying to do the conservation of fish species. And this is what our lab looks like. Our lab has two sides. This side is doing the fish